Hello everybody, Marty Richards with Greater Richland Tourism here today. And today we are going to give you another episode of Why Do We Call It That? Also coupled with a pretty cool location to check out for some really neat community events that you as guests and visitors could also enjoy. Today we are just outside of the village or the little burg of Bear Valley. Now, Bear Valley has a long past, originally settled in 1855 by Peter Haskins. He was the first known individual to actually come and settle in the area. He did plat the town at that time and actually brought a post office shortly thereafter, after 1855. Now, when you bring your own post office in, eventually the real post office is going to get involved, and they did. Bear Valley, the town here, happens to lie right on the Richland-Sauk County line. When the post office, the official post office, got involved, they moved the post office that Peter Haskins had put in place. And of course, we know how this story in other episodes has gone. When he originally put the post office in, he named the town Petersburg. Makes sense, right? After himself. Well, when the post office got involved, they always have that rule that the name of the town cannot have a possessiveness to a family name. So they changed this town from Petersburg to Bear Valley when they moved the post office from just over the line in Sauk County into Bear Valley into Richland County. Now, how did it get its name? That's really what we're all talking about, right? So the bears, actual bears, live bears, were known to traverse this area quite frequently in the late 1800s into the 1900s. And then it got a little quiet. There weren't many bear sightings for a while. But now in just the later years, as confirmed by some locals, there have been bear sightings again. So in the late 1800s, early 1900s, this was really a traditional pathway the bears would take from north to south and then to the Wisconsin River when they were on their trails moving around during different parts of the year. So that's how it got the name Bear Valley. Now, when you're visiting the area, I do encourage that you check out this area because there is a little hidden jewel that if you head 2 miles south of Bear Valley, you'll see Call Family or Call Community Park. At Call Park, they regularly have different events that are community events. Everybody's invited. They have 2 fish boils, one in the spring, one in the fall, that are very well attended. It's always a really great time with great food, great music, and great camaraderie. It's a lot of fun. Also, around the 4th of July every year, they also have a car show along with a barbecue and cornhole games tournament as well. And then there are regular softball, baseball games there as well. And it is available for use for family events and different things. But it's very well kept up. It's a really nice facility and all part of the experience of visiting Bear Valley. So we do hope that you enjoy our videos. We ask that you share them with others and help get the word out of all the fine things you can enjoy here in the Greater Richland area. So for Greater Richland Tourism, I'm Marty Richards. Let's everybody have a great day.